I'm super excited to be celebrating an amazing milestone. 4 years of connection and learning and growth inside our Mighty Network community. I'm Marcia Chadley, here to invite you to be part of our exciting 4th anniversary festival. Whether you're brand new to the platform and just getting your network started, or you've been hosting for years, this festival is for you. It's all about helping you be more successful with your Mighty Network, with fun activities, fresh ideas, and supportive community. If you're ready to take your network to the next level and create great connection with other Mighty Network hosts, you'll love what we have planned. We've lined up some exciting activities for you. In the Festival Treasure Hunt, you'll explore the network, uncovering hidden treasures and earning exclusive awards. The treasure hunt kicks off on October 7th. The highlight of our 4th anniversary festival is the Happier New Members 2.0 Sprint. In just 5 days, you'll build a welcome checklist that transforms how new members engage with your network. It starts on October 21st, and it's a totally revamped version of our popular Past Challenge. Plus, there are special edition anniversary badges, including mystery badges, for you to collect throughout the festival. This festival is free to all of the members in our network and for anyone else who wants to join in on the fun. We're inviting everyone to take part in the festival. It's a great time to invite your friends, fellow network hosts, to see what our community is all about. The more the merrier. Are you ready to celebrate with us? Use the link shared with this video to join our Mighty Network and jump right into the festival. Don't forget to be part of the treasure hunt that starts on October 7th and the highlight of the festival, the Happier New Members 2.0 Sprint that starts October 21st. See you at the festival. It's going to be a blast.